Excel provides pre-designed cell styles rather than formatting cells manually. Cell styles are used to quickly add professional level formatting to different parts of a worksheet like the titles, the headers. Now we are going to apply the cell styles on this sheet. For this, select the cells in which you want to apply the formatting. In the Home tab, click on Cell Styles. A live preview of the format is displayed as you move pointer to the various styles. You can see the different styles applying on your sheet. You can select any style according to your requirement. For example, I am going to apply accent 2 on my sheet. As you can see that the selected predefined cell styles has been applied to this sheet. You can select different heading styles from there. So I'm gonna select heading 1. Now this is the final look of a sheet.